awesome forge out of just scrap material we found around the house, and actually just stuff we found. And some of the things that back and forth, just setting things on, holding things in the fire. If we move back away if we want, we can control the airflow to how we need. Any ashes fall down through the little grit, we can open this up, dump it, and should I try it on?
Yeah, turn it on.
Pretty sweet. You can adjust it, weaker, strong.
That's it. That's all stainless steel in there, stainless steel grate, stainless steel bolts. So that should be fine. It's all painted with high temp grill paint, so I'm gonna fire it up tomorrow and see how it goes. Start forging.